Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Govee lights to Apple Home. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Home Assistant RC from here. After that, you need to hop onto the settings button on the left, as seen from here. After you click on it, now the settings will actually appear. Now you need to click on devices and services as seen from here. And now after you click on it, now you can search for the brand that you want to add as a device. Now after that, you need to click on add an integration on the down right corner as seen from here. And after that, this menu will appear. Now you need to actually search for the brand that you want to add to your Apple Home. So you need to add the Govee lights, so you need to search for Govee. After you search for it, now you'll find it right here, you can just click on it. Now click on Govee lights local as seen from here. And now hit on submit. Now after that, you can actually hit on finish from here after you choose the settings that you like, and now you have successfully connected your lights to your Apple Home. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.